Hi guys, quick video today. We're going to go over how to change the internal battery on your Lexus key fob. This applies to all models of Lexuses from 2013 to 2022. If you have a Lexus NX, RC, RX, LX, IS, or GS, this applies to you and your key fob. So first thing you want to do is take out the key. So you have access here to the side panel. What you want to do is either get a flathead screwdriver, or what I usually do, I just pry it open, get my thumb on both sides and leverage it. Easy to pop open. From there, you're able to turn around, get the battery. What you want is an Energizer or any different model battery, but a CR2032, 3 volts. So from there, pop out the battery from the top. Boom. Replace it with a new one, slide it back in. Then what you want to do is make sure that the battery portion lines up right over this circular holder in here. Fit that in. Make sure that you're lined up for the battery housing. Squeeze it on all sides. Make sure it's nice, firm, and tight. Slide your key back in. Then you're done. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe. We will have more how-to videos and installation videos on my Lexus RC350 and other Lexus related products. Thanks for watching.